A blizzard warning continues across Michigan's Upper Peninsula, and this is going to run through Monday and even into early Tuesday morning. The wind is going to become strong, even very strong, as we head into early Monday morning and even into mid to late Monday morning. This is when we will see the strongest winds, and during this time, we could see some wind gusts near and along Lake Superior that could gust between 60 and 70 miles per hour, and that is going to cause significant blowing and drifting snow. Additional snow totals through Monday and early Tuesday morning look to be anywhere from 1 to 2 feet of snow, with lesser amounts as you go into the far western UP and Keweenaw Peninsula.
Gonna be the first look outside the impending blizzard, and that's how far it is up the door. Conditions are terrible. We got our work cut out for us here. Holy Toledo. Oh. Well, absolutely terrible. It's the worst I've ever seen. Unfortunately, what I'm going to be doing is futile until this is over. But it's cold, terrible. It's difficult to hold the camera and do what we got to do. We got to get this girl fired up, warmed up. She's got her work cut out for her. Yeah. We did it. She's cold. That's what the beep is. But she's going. It's as deep as the blower can take. Digging into my front door. this is what happens when the winds are so strong. It rips your camper vent open. It snows inside your camper in the blizzard. Just another joy of the UP.